I am AJ. I am here to tell about some money making app. Before that, please subscribe my channel and then click the bell icon. After I upload a video you will get a notification. Let's go to the video. Money make by playing some game. First app I showing to you is my favorite app. Its name is Mobile Premium League. It's known as MPL.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
First you download the app that's shown in my description. Then you sign in by using your mobile number. Then you can play game using the tokens that's seen in the upper left side. Then play and get high score and earn money. That money you can withdraw to your Paytm, PayPal and PhonePe accounts. After you played a game you can see your rank. You can earn money within the rate of ranks. You can withdraw your earned money to Paytm. Then this is the part which like Dream 11. If you deposit little you will get big profit. Next you know the person that playing MPL and you can chat with them. Next part you can see the person which get top money in per week. Second earning app name Rosdan. Rosdan is another app like MPL. It's have a disadvantage. We got 50 rupees sign up money. We can earn money in this app in two ways. First you share the app to other and share articles. Get coin. 250 coin is 1 rupee. There one more way, that is the option that's shown in the upper part. I select play to win option. It goes to a site. There were so many games in this site. Paying game. Free game. In free game we get 1 rupees in each game, then you can withdraw money without any limit. The defect is first advertisement, second the rotating problem. Some mobile doesn't rotate in this site but some mobile will work. The proof is the rank that I showing. This is the rank. It means some people can play the game. There were so many paid games. In this game you got more money. You can withdraw your earned money to Paytm. This is my withdrawal details. Next app, the 100% working app. Fast money making app. Name Google Opinion Reward. Play survey and get money. Thank you for watching my video.